Well guys, part 2 of this Mondeo blog. I'm going to try and fix that stone chip. I've had a read of this kit, so this is the kit. Do it yourself. I'm not holding out much hope for it. Not at all. But you never know. So yeah, I'm going to have a play and let you know how I get on. Well guys, it's definitely improved it. Just looks like a little scratch now. So, may as well have a look at rot. There's the first rot hole. This is on the near side, just beyond the sill. That'd be easy enough. That was picked up on the MOT. Other side looks pretty good, to be honest. Yeah. It'll clean up lovely. The other rot hole was there on the rear chassis. Again, really easy to do. Take this off, whatever that is. Just a little plate over it. Easy peasy. The rest of the car doesn't look too bad. A lot of surface rust, but I'll wax oil that. It's had a really recent exhaust. Strangely missing a hanger. I'm not sure what that's all about. It's a fair way away. Yeah, surface rust, just those two rot holes really. I'll get a few years out of this car, I reckon. If all goes to plan. Right, time to start cleaning this up. Well guys, that patch is all sealed up now, and so is the front. But we can't see it because of the glare, and there it is. So I did put that little hole in it just so I can get some wax oil in there when it's all dried. Yeah, that's alright, not bad. Next job guys is the aux belt. This is made by Gates. It's a fair belt. And tensioners as well while I'm on it. Definitely needs doing. That belt's all cracked and it's gonna fail. Well guys, that was a horrible job. Alternator had to come off, engine mount had to come off. Obviously wheel had to come off. But new belt, new tensioner, and new pulleys by Gates. It's done 150,000 in the car, so it'll outlive the car. Show the old tensioner and belt here. So this is the tensioner that come off it. Quite a bit of play in. Quite a bit of play in that. The chunk was already missing out of the pulley. It is made by Ford, so possibly original. I think this is the worst one. Definitely the worst one. The belt. Really cracked. In the finish, my dad. We got the tractor out. In the finish, we got the tractor bucket. Pushed down the tensioner with a piece of wood in between, and then we could get the belt on the lower crankshaft pulley. Yeah, bit of a nightmare job really, but well worth doing. I like the car now. Well guys, this has annoyed me a little bit. So to get the bracket on with one of the pulleys, one of the top pulleys, I had to move the fuel filter out of the way. When putting it back on, it just broke. So the return fuel line broke. When you thought they'd have metal lined the connectors and not just relied on plastic. So let's try and fix it. Now I got a replacement from a 2004. It is too long, but it marries up here perfectly. So that was where it was broken. It marries up there perfectly, but it is too long. But the way I see it, as long as it's not pinched and as long as it's not rubbing, it will be fine. Just got the air filter out. Gonna blow all that out and put the new filter in. So that was the old filter. I don't know what they've done to it. They crushed it or something. Just crushed it. It's not great, but not bad. That's the new one. Genuine full. Right, I'm going to leave it there for now. It does still need a lock set. If you've got a lock set, hook me up on Instagram. Send me a message if you want to sell it. But yeah, I think it'd be alright for a while now. Thanks for watching, guys.